All right, so check this out. You got this article right here from Finbold, 3 cryptocurrencies under a dime to buy next week. Now, apparently this article came out a while ago, January 26, 2024. And one of these cryptocurrencies that's on this list is Kaspa. So we're going to do a price prediction on Kaspa to see if that is truly the case. If Kaspa is a cryptocurrency that needs to be bought this week. Here are his choices. The first one is VeChain. Take a look at the second one. Kaspa. Kaspa, which bears some features similar to Bitcoin, has started to ascend and might be poised for a breakthrough. That's how they draw everyone into these articles. First, they get you by the title, top cryptocurrency to buy this week. And then they start out with saying it might be poised for a breakthrough or a breakout. As always, that is tickling to people's ears. They want to hear those type of things. So they go in, buy these altcoins, and then sit back and wait and then question, why in the world did not Kaspa go up in price? I mean, this man who created this article said that it's ready for a breakthrough. Whenever there is an attempt at a bearish cross, a 20-day moving average intersecting below the 50-day moving average in the Kaspa BTC pair, on the 2-day chart, it triggered a notable and dynamic market movement. As you can see, it did not say what movement. Was it higher or lower? This was from a post on X from crypto analyst Finbold on January 24th. And look at that man's chart. Look at it. Look at all of the technical indicators off of this man's chart. He has the Ichimichimoku divergence for mini indicator version 4. He even has a rainbow EMA. This particular individual who utilizes all of these indicators seemingly looks confused, because without the indicators, you and I all can see that Kaspa has been trending higher paired against Bitcoin. It doesn't require you to have all of these indicators, because what if one of these indicators don't work out? What if all your indicators, except for one, are hitting on all cylinders? Do you still say that the market's going to go up? Do you go all in? Or do you wait until all indicators are hitting? Now, at the time of this writing, Kaspa was trading at a dime, gaining 2.9% in the previous 24 hours while losing 1% in the last 7 days and almost 5% in the previous month. So this chart, this crypto analyst is talking about Kaspa going up in price. But then you come through and you look at actual price action in Kaspa and it's still trending down. Why would that be the case? Why in the world would Kaspa be trending down? Something that we'll talk about in a moment. Here's the tweet right here. This tweet got 4,689 views. I see the roulette throwing 4 consecutive reds. It must go red again, right? If you can make a fundamental analysis of the roulette such that all the same conditions occurred each of those times and are about to occur again, then yes, it must go red again. Nice chart. And also good to see the RSI level at the lower side of the range. Looks primed. That was on the 25th of January. When is the bottom, sir? You can see he did not reply to that. Somebody also replied to the tweet. Looks good. Does it look good now? Because this was on the 24th of January. Here it is today, the 31st. So the 24th of January was right here. Market ran to 11 cents and now it's coming right back down. From our price prediction in Kaspa, which we produced on the 28th of December, we've been expecting the market in Kaspa to go lower anyway. Now, I'll give you credit because the price action in Kaspa has been maintaining consolidation, meaning it's not really that bearish. But I want you all to see how price did escape our sell zone up here. So we do need to get rid of that. And we're going to go ahead and create another sell zone right here. Okay. So what we're going to do, create a sell zone right here into the market in Kaspa, because that's really where the sellers are hitting the market at. Go ahead and do that right around here. Okay. So I'm still looking for the price to go down. The article, the tweet, all stems that Kaspa is the top cryptocurrency to buy. That's under a dime, and now it's back under a dime today. Also, take a look. Look at how often the market in Kaspa has held our first buy zone. That's been a positive catalyst for us to say, well, if anything, we can expect the market to consolidate, right? We can we can still expect that to occur. But what about on a different time frame? Here it is on the 2-day chart. Are you more bullish now on the 2-day time frame, or are you still bearish? Because I'm still bearish into the market in Kaspa. What about on the 3? Now, if I see the price in Kaspa hold this first buy zone again, then I would have to say, yeah, there's definitely some buyers here into the market. If I see the market buyers hold that zone, then I would have to say, yeah, we just need to go ahead and take the profit and move on and expect the price to go up. So I'm paying attention to that. I'm definitely going to look forward to see whether or not those buyers are going to hold that zone, because they've done a fantastic job of holding that. Here, let's look at this on the 5-day time frame. So again, generally, I don't see a lot of indications that the market is bullish outside of the buyers holding this initial first buy zone. That's it. What about on the weekly chart? Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. Okay, so you can see even a little bit cleaner the direction in which price is moving. What about on the 3? This is where I'm really bullish. On this particular time frame is where I'm looking for Kaspa to continue to trend down and at least hit those other 2, or at least one out of the 2 price targets. Okay. Here it is on the 5. At the end of this week, if we see the price action in Kaspa close down there on the low of this current 5-weekly bar, then yeah, look for price to continue to drift to the downside. Here it is on the monthly chart. We got less than 12 hours and it still looks pretty weak there. So I'm actually finished. But according to this tweet, according to this price chart, according to this article, everything is pointing to looking for Kaspa to go up. But the only thing that we can see off our price chart is that price is prepared to continue to go lower. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to continue to look forward to price in Kaspa to go down. I want you all to go ahead and give me your thoughts about this situation. Is Kaspa a buy or sell? What are you looking forward to? You looking for price to continue to go lower, or are you looking for the market in Kaspa to maintain the consolidation or trading range and then eventually try to run up to 12.5 cents, maybe even 13 cents toward this downtrending line and then getting rejected and coming back down? Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.